Good morning, Elon. How was your sleep? Say sleepy. Say good morning. Were you able to sleep well? Can you say mama? Mama, mama. Are you excited today? For today? Papa? Do you want to go room na? You're supposed to be tinanghana, no? Last night, ba't ikaw sleepy ka, no? Hindi ka today nakita ni Ninang Hana. Just say, hello, Ninang Hana. Hi, Ninang Hana. Welcome back to Manila.
Papunta na tayo sa hospital ngayon. Naglalakad lang tayo. Malapit lang naman tayo, mga 25 kilometers. Kaya kayang lakarin. Tapos na yung meeting namin ni Doc. Ngayon, pauwi na ulit ako.
Look at the apple. Where's the apple? Elon, where's the apple? How about the fish? Look at the fish. Where is the fish? Where is the Christmas tree? Elon, where's the apple? Look at the apple, Elon. How about the Christmas tree? Where is the Christmas tree? Good morning. Oh, knockdown na. Where is the starfish? Hi, Elon. Looking at the letters. Oh, you're also looking at the other one? The other side? You are holding your milk? Ay! Oops, careful. Baka masugatan ka. Honk. It's a honk. Do you like it? Are you excited? Pogi ah. Are you pogi? Are you pogi? Oh, you're pogi. You agree you're pogi? Huh? Oh, do you believe that you are pogi? Are you pogi na? La, pogi daw siya, pogi. I love you. I love you, Elon. What did he say? I love you too, mommy. I love you more, Elon. I love you, Elon. What will you say? You say, I love you too, mommy. Daddy loves you. Aya loves you. Aku loves you. Mama loves you. And Lola loves you. We love you, Elon. Ang galing mag-roll over na baby namin. Hello.
He loves it. Nag-enjoy siya.
Okay. Friends, oh, you have your friends now. Oh, right.